Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be trying the mushroom makeup trend. This look was trending a few years ago and I wanted to try it years later. I'm very late to the trend, but that doesn't mean I can't still do it even if no one's really doing that look anymore. So I'm gonna try it out. Don't take this as a tutorial because I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm just trusting the process, okay? And I've already have foundation on my face, so I'm not going to do that. I am going to take this brush and use this palette. This palette I bought from NYX at Superdrug. Not sure if it's good. I literally bought the cheapest one there, so it could be terrible. I am going to take the red color and put it on my eye and smush it in there. Right in there. Get it all in there. I'm gonna spread it out like this. Ooh, it's pigmented. It's pigmented. Gonna do the same thing to these other eyes. Whoa, this is pigmented. My goodness. Oh my goodness. It is pigmented. Oh my goodness. I was not expecting that. Okay. But that's good. We want it to show. We can't be this poisonous mushroom if we're dull, right? Gotta be bright. Bright and beautiful. Okay. Alright, let's blend it. Let's do some circles like this. Some is gonna go down here. Some of it's gonna go down. So let's fan it out. I'm starting to think that I should have not spread it out so much because I did not know it would be so pigmented. Let's spread it out. Now I'm just gonna take my foundation. I don't have eye primer. I should have bought that to be honest, but I don't have it. So I'm just gonna take foundation and do whatever thing that people do in tutorials a lot. They like I don't know, they draw something here. They do something like this. And then they spread it out. Spread it out. Alright. Yep. Reason why I'm doing this is because I'm gonna put a lighter color inside a white. Just because I can. I think it'll just look too cluttered if I use all red. So I'm just gonna do this. Then blend it in. Now what I'm going to do is take my Too Faced Natural Lust palette and I'm going to use this top one for in here to brighten it up. And then just jab it. You can take your finger, but I don't want to mess up my finger just yet. I have hooded eyes, so usually I prefer to brighten inside than cover it all with eyeshadow when I do when I do when I do put on makeup. I usually don't ever make foundation reach in here. The darker color foundation is always lighter. So this time, because I have no idea what I'm doing, I'm just doing things, okay? Whatever works, it will work. I'm sure what I'm doing here it's gonna have a great result. The results will be great. For underneath my eyes, I'm going to take a green color. Yes, I'm going to be using green. I haven't seen, at least the photos that I have on Pinterest and the tutorials, I seen way back when this trend was popping. I didn't see much people use green, but I want to use green. Again, trust the process. I don't know if the end result will be any good, but I'm trying something. Taking this flat brush and I'm gonna go underneath my eye. Nothing happened. What is this? Let's try again. The green doesn't want to work. I went underneath my eye with some green. It's not showing up on camera for some reason, but in the mirror, it looks rather decent. The green can represent moss growing on the mushroom or something like that. I just thought it would look pretty. Maybe not the way I'm using the brush. Again, not not great at doing makeup. So whoever is watching this tutorial and decide to recreate the look, you can probably do better than me. But this is mine. This is my idea. This is my idea. This is my tutorial. And if it's gonna be a disaster, it's a disaster that I am willing to make. I am going to be gonna do something. What am I gonna do? Alright. I'm going to be taking my eyeliner, doing some cute wings. So I'm gonna use my camera. Please. Are you going to do it? Are you going to work today? Are you going to just be defiant? You're somewhat working. I don't know. Usually my my liner works, but there are times where it just straight up like, I don't want to do anything today. I'm not gonna do it. Like, love the fact that I'm talking about my eyeliner like they are living things. I am not going crazy. See here, you can see the line. I'm going to bring it into my inner corner like that. Now I'm going to do some big old water. I'm going to do a big old line here. Oh, it stopped working. All right. After fighting with my eyeliner to work, I finally managed to do my little thing. Too bad I couldn't show you guys because I had to be right in my mirror to do it. So now I'm gonna take a black and just go in like this to kind of make my eyes look cartoonish, I guess. Mm, just like that. Now I am going to be taking my white pencil liner by NYX as well, and I'm going to be penciling in my waterline like this. Voila. I'm also going to just take some white blend, do something like this. But look, it's coming together, I guess. Am I looking more like a mushroom fairy? Now I'm taking my white liner by NYX as well. I'm not sponsored by them. I just use a lot of their products, okay? And I'm going to make some little dots around my eye. Ooh. Dots here. Maybe some dots right there. So dots over here. Oh, my dot is disappeared. It just disappeared. No. Curses. And you forget that you have semi-hooded eyes. Just place some random dots everywhere. Doot, doot. Ooh, I'm looking more fantasy by the second. Ooh, it's coming all together. Eee, I'm so happy. It might not look like special to most, but it's special to me. Now I'm going to be using these lashes, some cheap ones I bought from Superdrug. And now that I have my lashes in to finish it off, I'm using this to um I'm using this mascara. I'm a professional. Am I looking more fairy by the second? Eyelashes are not comfortable, Megan. Now I feel like I should do the lips. I already have some Vaseline on it. Should I do green too for the lips since I have green on my eyes? I think I'm gonna do that. I think I'm gonna do that. Okay, so I decided against the green on my lips. I'm just going to go in with a regular well, I'm just gonna go in with a regular red or nude instead. Here I have my longtime used friend brown pencil liner. I have no idea what the brand is. I think it didn't even have a brand when I bought it years ago. So I'm just gonna line my lips like that. Line it. Gonna show them my cupid's bow. My favorite. Now I'm gonna use this red lipstick. This is my aunt's. I'm borrowing your lipstick for my tutorial. Let's start it. Hmm. Voila! This is the end result. What do you guys think? I personally like it. Yeah, it's a beginner's look. I am a beginner after all. Of course, I'm gonna love this. Maybe in a few years when I get better at using makeup, I'll be like, what is this? Ew! But for now, I'm having a lot of fun messing around with my palettes. I am a fairy. I am a mushroom fairy. If one day I LARP, this is the look I'll be giving at the roleplay session. If you guys enjoyed the video, please leave a like. Comment any tips or how I should recreate this look. If you want to recreate this look, you can. I don't know why you'd want to. And I'm pretty sure this is not a good tutorial to follow. I will see you guys in my next upload. Bye.